Are you feeling the seismic shifts AI is bringing to our world? From automating tasks to revolutionizing industries, artificial intelligence is undeniably transforming how we live and work. But amidst this technological marvel, what truly sets us apart and ensures our continued relevance in an increasingly automated future? AI is no longer science fiction, it's a daily reality. It processes vast data, identifies patterns, and executes complex tasks with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This technological leap is reshaping every sector, from healthcare to finance, demanding our attention and adaptation. We are witnessing a profound paradigm shift, moving beyond simple automation to intelligent systems that learn and adapt. This evolution demands a new understanding of our roles and contributions. It's a future where human ingenuity meets machine efficiency, creating unprecedented opportunities and challenges. AI excels in tasks that are repetitive, data-intensive, and rule-based. It can analyze millions of data points in seconds, predict trends, and optimize processes far beyond human capacity. Think of complex calculations, intricate pattern recognition, or efficient resource allocation. However, AI fundamentally lacks consciousness, genuine empathy, and subjective judgment. It cannot truly understand human emotions, navigate nuanced social dynamics, or generate truly novel, emotionally resonant ideas. Its creativity is pattern-based, not born from lived experience or intrinsic motivation. This is precisely where emotional intelligence, EI, steps in as our ultimate differentiator. EI is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, and overcome challenges. It's the bedrock of human connection. Emotional intelligence encompasses several key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These aren't just soft skills. They are critical competencies that drive effective leadership, foster collaboration, and fuel innovation in any environment. In a world increasingly optimized by AI, emotional skills become your superpower. They enable you to build trust, inspire teams, and navigate complex interpersonal relationships that AI simply cannot replicate. These are the human elements that machines cannot automate. Consider leadership. AI can analyze performance data, but it cannot motivate a discouraged team member or mediate a conflict with genuine understanding. Empathy allows leaders to connect, understand underlying issues, and foster a supportive, productive environment. Innovation, too, thrives on emotional intelligence. True breakthroughs often stem from understanding unmet human needs, collaborating effectively across diverse perspectives, and having the resilience to push through setbacks. These are inherently human, emotionally driven processes. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about a powerful human-AI partnership. AI will handle the data, the calculations, and the repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on what we do best: strategize, innovate, connect, and lead with empathy. This partnership requires us to cultivate our uniquely human attributes. We must become adept at asking the right questions, interpreting AI's outputs with critical judgment, and applying emotional intelligence to translate data into meaningful human solutions. So how do you develop this crucial emotional edge? It starts with self-awareness, understanding your own emotions, strengths, and weaknesses. Practice mindfulness, reflect on your reactions, and seek feedback from trusted colleagues or mentors. Next, focus on empathy. Actively listen to others, try to understand their perspectives, and practice putting yourself in their shoes. Engage in diverse conversations and challenge your own assumptions. Empathy is a muscle that strengthens with use. Finally, hone your social skills. Learn to communicate clearly, resolve conflicts constructively, and build strong collaborative relationships. Participate in team projects, volunteer for leadership roles, and actively seek opportunities for interpersonal engagement. The AI revolution is here, and it's transforming everything. But it's also illuminating the irreplaceable value of our human emotional skills. These are not just nice-to-haves, they are essential competencies that will define success in the coming decades. Embrace this opportunity to cultivate your emotional intelligence, making yourself indispensable in any future landscape. Don't just observe the future, actively shape it. Start today by identifying one emotional skill you want to strengthen. Whether it's active listening, conflict resolution, or self-awareness, commit to a daily practice. Explore our upcoming workshops and online courses designed to boost your emotional intelligence and leadership capabilities. Visit our blog for practical tips and insights, and share this message with your network. Let's collectively build a future where human connection and intelligence thrive alongside technological advancement.